Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've been doing well. Today I have another unboxing for you guys. I feel like I'm doing back-to-back unboxings, which is super fun. I literally just got home from the gym, so I just changed into this kind of like soft, cozy cardigan. So that's why I look this way right now. I don't have any jewelry on or anything. I really need to hop in the shower. But I really wanted to take advantage of the light. I love the longer days. I usually go to the gym after work, and the fact that when I come home from the gym and it's still this light out makes me so happy. It just really boosts my mood, and I wanted to take advantage of that and be able to film this unboxing for you. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. This is a box from FedEx, and if you follow me on Instagram, this is something I purchased from Vegas, and you know from the title of the video that it is an Alaia bag. But which bag did I get? And I showed a couple photos of the ones that I had been eyeing. So the thing about the Alaia store in Las Vegas, and I don't know which stores in Vegas do this, but the sales associate mentioned that he could ship the bag to me overnight. I would have to pay the shipping fee, which is $25, but I wouldn't have to pay sales tax on it. And I was staying at the Fontainebleau for my last night in Vegas, and I was thinking about it because I had actually eyed this bag last summer, and I was very close to buying it on Net-a-Porter or one of those other luxury retail sites, but I just never pulled the trigger on it. And I don't know if it's because I just never saw it in person, didn't have a chance to kind of try it on for myself. But when I went to the store in Vegas and they had it and I tried it on, I actually really fell in love with it. Now that summer is coming around again, I am so looking forward to summery outfits and vacation outfits and using this on other trips I have coming up. So that's kind of why I pulled the trigger. The sales tax would have added another like $100 some. I think it was like $101 and some change to the total. So the fact that I only paid the $25 shipping fee, which normally I have to say I'm very much against paying for shipping. Like there's nothing I hate more than paying for shipping, except in cases when it actually saves me money. So if you subtract 25 from 101, you are going to get $76, right? So I saved around 75, 76-ish dollars by getting it shipped. And also what's great about that is I didn't have to worry about packing it because my Vegas suitcase was already like kind of full, and it's just another thing to pack when you're coming home, and it was just kind of nice to not have to worry about that. So between the convenience and saving that extra $75, I was kind of like, yeah, I guess I'm gonna do it. So here's the FedEx box. I just blacked out my information, but I don't think you can see it from this angle anyway. So I'm just going to undo this. This is actually my first purchase from Alaia, and this box is lovely. Wow, this is very nice. This is a beautiful box. I kind of feel like a lot of brands don't even give out boxes anymore. Like the last Celine bag I got from the store, they didn't give me a box. I'm surprised, honestly, at how beautiful this box is. So here you can see it says Alaia Paris right there. I'm going to angle it to the light a little bit, so hopefully you can see that. This is like a really beautiful box. I'm so impressed by the packaging. Ooh, and it has Alaia taped. So it's 2 pieces of tape right here. So taped so beautifully. Wow, they really did a wonderful job on the presentation. Okay, let's move this a little bit. So here is the presentation. Oh, it's so beautiful. I don't want to ruin it. Oh, I don't have to because it's just tucked in. Okay, so I can actually remove this whole piece. Okay, here's the dust bag. Nothing else is in here except this. Oh, this is like, there's a label on the box. Okay. All right. Here is the dust bag. And I think you can see from the handle. Oh my gosh. Okay. I got the Alaia, I think it's called the Demi Lune bag, so half moon bag in the fishnet, and I got it in black. This is so beautiful. So it has patent leather trim, and it's pretty subtle, which is kind of nice, but the handle is adjustable with silver hardware, as you can see right here, and it has a very smooth zipper, which is lovely. And this is the bottom, so that patent leather trim goes all the way down on the bottom. It's a pretty slim silhouette, and it just fits beautifully over the shoulder with very generous drop. This is a little bit wonky, I think, just from the transit, so I'm gonna maybe hang it up and see if that straightens out the leather just a little bit. Let's take the stuffing out so you guys can see. Oh, she's so cool. I love her. I think this is gonna be like the perfect summer bag. And this is detachable, I believe. Let me double check. This is just a little pouch that is also in patent leather. And it does say Alaia right there. It might be hard to see, but it does say Alaia Paris right there. And this is just probably like the care booklet. Oh, this is just the tag. This is the tag with the price right there in case you were interested. And this bag also comes in red. And originally I was very, very close to getting the red one. Online, when I had seen photos, I wanted to get the red one. I really want to add a red bag. A long time ago, I had a red Louis Vuitton wallet on chain, and I love that bag so much, and I sold it to fund something else. And I don't want to get that particular bag back again, but I really miss having like a really cute little red bag. So when I saw this in red, I was very, very close to getting it. But then when I tried it on, I liked it, but I just felt like it was a little bit too, not necessarily out there, but I just felt like the black would be more versatile for the summertime and the outfits that I was thinking about. The red is really beautiful. I have to say, I think it looked a little bit better in pictures because when I saw it in real life, there was a slight orange hue to it, which it looked really good, but the kind of red that I envision for the handbag I want to get is going to be like a blue toned red. And so that was another reason why I kind of was like, I really, really like this, but between the red and kind of like the fishnet vibe, I already felt like that was kind of like a lot. And I feel like this bag is edgy enough in black that I didn't need it in red, if that makes sense. So let me just verify that this does come up. Yeah, so there is a little thing on here where you can take this off completely. So you can use this in a different bag. You can put your keys in here. I do feel like this is pretty generous. Like it can definitely fit cards and cash. And I like the versatility that you were able to take it on and off. What is it, the Goyard bag that you can't take the pouch off? I just feel like it's kind of a shame. If you're already paying that much for a bag, you should have a little bit of versatility of being able to take the pouch on and off if you like. Ooh, another thing I literally just noticed is it does say Alaia right there. I have no idea if that will focus, but it does say Alaia right there. I really like it when brands take the time to do that. I don't know why. I just feel like it's the little things, you know? I really like how smooth the zipper is. It is kind of frustrating when there are curved bags that have a kind of wonky or not very smooth zipper. I find that to be kind of frustrating. I do really like the fact that this is adjustable, but you guys know how much I love the longer shoulder drop of the bag, so I feel like I will probably keep it on the longer side. And then I'm going to try to even this out a little bit by hanging it overnight, and maybe I'll put some things in here just to see if that will help. But yeah, here she is, the Alaia Demi Lune bag, my first Alaia piece. Very, very excited. And yeah, I just feel like this bag is like a little bit edgy, but also very casual. It's gonna be great for summer, could be great for concerts because it's totally see-through. So you know how all the concert venues are doing these like clear bag rules, and I don't know, I just find that to be kind of frustrating. So having a really cute see-through bag, I think will be really fun. I'm hoping this will be allowed in concert venues. If anyone has a bag like this and is taken into concert venues or sporting events, let me know. I would love to be able to take this to concerts in the future. I feel like it does count because it is see-through, it is mesh, but I don't know for sure because it's not a clear bag. Like I have a couple from Amazon that I use for concerts. If you want me to do a more detailed review, definitely let me know in the comments and I will consider doing that later this summer when I've had a chance to use her a little bit more. And yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, I would really appreciate it if you would give this video a thumbs up, and if you would also subscribe to my channel. That would really, really mean the world to me. And with that, I hope you guys all have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.